Let's take a look at pre-built integrations. These can be built by Shopify or by our partner ecosystem. Shopify pre-built integrations are typically enabled directly from the admin. They provide you optionality as a store owner for things like payment processing, allowing you to quickly tailor your operations. Partner pre-built integrations, or as we like to call them, Shopify apps, are external add-ons developed by our ecosystem to expand your store's capabilities. You can find and install them from the Shopify App Store. Where Shopify often builds integrations to be as generally accessible as possible, partner-built apps can greatly expand the breadth of integrations and the depth of their feature sets. Looking for an integration into a particular ERP or help desk tool? Their developers may have already built and published it to our App Store. iPaaS providers help with the process by abstracting away a lot of the infrastructure requirements of building an app, letting your team focus on just the business logic of an integration. Shopify Flow, our e-commerce automation platform, even has connectors written by app developers that let you custom build your own integration into a third-party system like a subscription or a loyalty platform. For unique requirements that off-the-shelf solutions simply can't meet, custom integrations offer the ability to create bespoke solutions crafted from the ground up for your business requirements. Keep in mind, however, that they typically require more technical resources and development effort. With all of these integration options, you get to choose the right approach for every business requirement. Combine apps with custom integrations to build a unique, differentiated commerce experience that your customers will love.